What makes Landmark 81 so well known? Landmark 81, which stands 461.5 meters tall, is a symbol of Vietnam's pride and thriving economy. It has surpassed Malaysia's Petronas Twin Towers to become the tallest tower in Southeast Asia. Landmark 81 offers a breathtaking view of Ho Chi Minh City and is situated near the Saigon River. At Landmark 81, what should I do? Skyview at 81 Landmark. The Landmark Building's Landmark 81 Skyview is a very opulent observation deck and a popular check-in location. Other attractions include the largest Riverfront Park in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City, the Landmark Bar, the CGV Cinema, the Infinity Pool, and the Vincom Ice Rink and Ice Skating Rink. Why did Saigon change its name? With little opposition and few fatalities, the Northern Army advanced into Saigon. However, the capital of the now defeated Southern regime would not have an easy decade. To honor the revolutionary leader who had proclaimed independence in 1945, Saigon was renamed Ho Chi Minh City. Is Ho Chi Minh worth visiting for tourists? Ho Chi Minh City boasts an enjoyable mild climate year-round, characterized by warm temperatures and a pleasant atmosphere, making it an ideal destination for visitors in any season. One advantage of the mild climate is that it allows for a variety of outdoor activities year-round. Ho Chi Minh, former president of North Vietnam. Overview education books. Ho Chi Minh, biography, presidency, and facts. He had a wretched childhood, but between the ages of 14 and 18, he was able to study at a grammar school in Hue. He is next known to have been a schoolmaster in Phan Thiet, and then was apprenticed at a technical institute in Saigon. In 1911, under the name of Ba, he found work as a cook on a French steamer. What should we do in Ho Chi Minh City? Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam tourism. Top things to do in Ho Chi Minh City. See the top landmarks. Walk down Dong Quai Street to acquaint yourself with the Notre Dame Cathedral, the city's central post office, and the Saigon Opera House. Shop small boutiques. Explore the Chinese Quarter. Hop on a motorcycle. Eat street food. Is 3 days enough in Ho Chi Minh City? 2 days should be more than adequate for you to not only swing by but also admire the destinations. However, it is a different story if you have your eyes on destinations in suburban districts of Ho Chi Minh City. In this case, 3 or 4 days will give you enough room to comfortably travel between the attractions. Is Ho Chi Minh City expensive for tourists? Ho Chi Minh City travel cost, average price of a vacation too. You should plan to spend around $90 D2 $290-$663 per day on your vacation in Ho Chi Minh City. This is the average daily price based on the expenses of other visitors. Past travelers have spent, on average for one day, $24, $615, $753 on meals. Which district is best for tourists in Ho Chi Minh City? Where to stay in Ho Chi Minh City tourist journey? District 1. Ho Chi Minh City's District 1, Quan Mot or Quan Not in Vietnamese, is considered the city's center. Its hotels are just a short distance from many of the city's most important landmarks, and the starting point for many tourists. The neighborhood's Ben Ton Market is an excellent place to sample Vietnamese cuisine. Ho Chi Minh City's vibrant nightlife is concentrated in District 1, particularly around Bui Vien Street, which is famous for its backpacker and tourist atmosphere, and Nguyen Hue Street, known for its bustling atmosphere and nightlife. Here's a more detailed breakdown of the nightlife areas in Ho Chi Minh City. Bui Vien Street, known as the Backpacker Street. This area is a popular destination for tourists and expats, offering a lively atmosphere with numerous bars, restaurants, and entertainment options. Nguyen Hue Street. This street is a lively pedestrian zone with a mix of bars, restaurants, and clubs, making it a popular spot for nightlife. District 1, the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. District 1 is where you'll find the most concentrated nightlife, with options. Which city in Vietnam has the best nightlife for singles? Ho Chi Minh City, the largest city in Vietnam, former capital Saigon, is famous for its heady and dynamic nightlife. Whether one is an aficionado of streets throbbing with bars or an admirer of elitist rooftop lounges, there is something here for everybody. Subscribe and join the community. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community.